So let's compare the Celeron N2807 with the Celeron 1007U. One of the things that you want to keep in mind is that these two processors are completely different in terms of architecture. The 2807 is a Bay Trail processor, which is of the same line as the Intel Atom processor, while Celeron N1007U is an Ivy Bridge processor, which is predecessor to the current Haswell processor. So the Ivy Bridge processor have a much different and faster architecture because of pipelining, higher pipelining, so on and so forth. They do consume a little bit of higher power, but they are much better in performance. And that's why we'll see that given the clock frequencies are about the same, but 1007U is much faster in processor performance. Even though if you are looking for a very low power consumption, then N2807 could be your choice. Let's take a look at the base clock frequency, about the same. The 2807 is slightly higher in clock frequency, but 2807 also supports the turbo clocking, with which it can raise its clock frequency to 2.16 GHz when required. So in terms of past benchmark score, we see that the Celeron 1007U is about 1.5 times faster than Celeron N2807. The TDP rating is a different story. If we are really looking for a very low power consumption processor, then Celeron N2807 could be a better choice. The Celeron N1007U is still pretty low at 17 watts. It's almost fanless, and it could be in notebooks that are very thin. But if you are looking at totally fanless laptop, then N2807 could be a better choice. Let's take a look at their comparison on Intel's website. You can see that the Ivy Bridge, that's the architecture that drives 1007U. It has higher smart cache memory than N2807. One of the things that adds to its performance. Other than that, we have covered most of the things. And one of the things you want to note is that they have the integrated graphics is faster in case of 1007U. So that's one another thing that you would like to note about the Ivy Bridge of 1007U. That's pretty much everything. Hope that it helps. Thanks for taking a look.